Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting with essentials. Log into Instagram now and use the account you want to deactivate. Once signed in, verify your email or phone so you can restore access later, and export any content you need, photos, DM, or profile info. Make sure you understand deactivation is temporary versus permanent deletion. That matters for recovery. Now open your profile, tap the menu, and go to Settings so you can begin the deactivation flow immediately. Once in Settings, navigate to Account and look for Delete or Deactivate Account. Instagram often routes deactivation through a browser even when you start in the app. When prompted, choose Deactivate Account and pick a reason. This helps Instagram log why users leave. You'll need to re-enter your password to confirm ownership. That prevents accidental or malicious changes. Make sure you review consequences, such as loss of profile visibility, and link Confirm Deactivation by tapping the final Deactivate button and then log out. Your profile should be hidden but preserved. To reverse it, log back in using your username and password. Reactivation is immediate in most cases. If the process fails, make sure you clear the app cache, try a different browser or device, and if needed, reset your password to regain control. One key troubleshooting tip: check for any active third-party login that might interfere and disconnect it before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.